Sugar Bites Beauty. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to do an unboxing and it's going to be the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of March. If you do know about the Macy's Beauty Box, it is $15 a month plus tax, free shipping. So it usually comes out to about $16 and change. The one thing I love about Macy's Beauty Box, and I know I've mentioned it before, is how fast their shipping is. Like, I received my box on Friday, March 1st, okay? So I love that they send them out so fast. So let's take a look and let's see what's inside. So inside our little box comes a little brochure that gives us the products in there as well as the description and full-size prices. And they usually come with a coupon inside as well. Oh, there we go. And it looks like this month we actually got $10 off. So I love those coupons, at least the $10 ones. So I'm definitely going to put that one to use. So let's take out our little bag. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It's super cute and it just feels, I don't know, it's so weird, but I love it. We're going to open it up. And everything comes wrapped in this pink paper. So we're going to unwrap it and let's take a look. Okay. So this month looks really good. And we got an SK2 facial treatment essence, which is this one right here. And it's a 30 ml 1 ounce size bottle. I think that's a great size. I love this essence. I actually have several of the little babies. The full size usually runs about $100, so I'm totally excited about this. Next thing I'm also really excited about because they actually included a full size product this month. And it's from Stila, and it's the Stila Glitter and Glow. So that's the packaging. And it's in the shade Fairy Tale. And we're going to open it up. And these are my favorite eye glitters. I don't use a primer with them, like a glitter primer. And they stay put throughout the entire day. I just love these. So that's what the color looks like. It's like a copper shade. Let me put this down here and we'll do a little swatch. And I actually do have a couple of these because they're just, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. It's like a copper with brown, and then it's got like purple and pink glitters in there. And it's a lot sheer than the other ones, but it looks gorgeous. So I love that. And because this is a full size, I think these run about $20-something. Let me take a look in the little book. Yeah, they run for $24. So a $15 box to have that in there, plus the $10 coupon. So far, so good. Okay, so let's keep going because there's more stuff in here. Okay, next thing is from Laura Mercier, and it is the translucent setting powder. And this one will probably go into my little giveaway that I'm saving up for because I have several of these little babies. And I don't need another one. Trust me, I have plenty. Okay, the next thing in here is from Peter Thomas Roth. And it's the Firm Peeling Gel. And that's what that looks like. And it says that it visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged onto skin. Multi-action enzymes and cellulose, something like that, help uncover a smooth, fresh, new complexion. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I have never tried this before, so I'm excited to try it. I have tried other products from Peter Thomas Roth, and I do like them, so I'm totally excited about that. And there's 3 more things. This is a perfume sample, and this is for a man. It's the Alien Man. So there's that one. And we also got the Alien for women. So there's that right there. And that's pretty cool that they've actually been including one for male and one for female recently. So I'm excited about that. And then the last thing in here, I keep looking at the little swatch over here. It's so pretty. Is from, okay, the last thing is from Skin Glow by Skin Gym. And it's an all-natural rose quartz hydrogel eye mask. So it's a little pair of eye mask. There's that. And they're super cute. There's the little hearts at the end. So that's super awesome. Okay, you guys, so we got the eye mask, the 2 perfume samples, the facial treatment essence, the Firmex peeling gel, the setting powder from Laura Mercier, the full-size glitter and glow, and then our little baggie. So what do you guys think? I think they did excellent this month. I mean, I have to say, it hasn't been totally bad. Even last month they included a full-size liquid lipstick. So they've been doing pretty good. I had considered canceling, but so far I'm liking it, so it'll stay for now. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you haven't already, please hit the little subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of future videos, hit the little bell as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.